Home sweet home. Let's make a video. What's up, YouTube? So, we have another bicycle rescue restoration coming at you. So we're gonna start with tires and tubes. And I got brand new tires, brand new tubes. Very expensive, by the way. Let's go, Brandon. And yeah, let's have at it. Alright, so we're gonna start with a new tire and tube. First thing we want to check, make sure we have good rim tape all the way around. Feel around this rim too for any sharp barbs that may occur or scratches. We just want to make sure this is nice and smooth so it doesn't puncture the inner tube. Next most important thing, it's always overlooked. Here's a brand new tube. You want to put on baby powder. What happens is the tube goes in crooked, and as it inflates, it wants to straighten back out, and it'll pull the tire, debead, your inner tube comes out the side and pops. Now, I learned this from experience because I've done it many times. This baby powder, you just want to get everything nice and coated so it's nice and slippery in there. You can put some inside the tire as well, but this is usually more than enough. There you go. Very important step. Don't skip it. Alright, I like to start by getting one half of the tire set. If you're dealing with these valves, you have to take off the cap and the nut. That's only for these Presta valves. I don't know which is which. This is the European racing bicycle circuit style. Alright, I'm going to try to show this the best I can. You gotta find your valve stem, find the hole. I just push the tire over, get it in there, and then you work your way around with the tube. Get the tube all in there, nice and relaxed like. Then you can start working your tire on. So get that tube in there, and then you screw this bit back on. That'll keep the valve stem in place. See this? So get your tire tucked in. Alright. So next, you want to make sure this valve is undone. What I have here is an adapter. Now when I race professional bikes, I had a special pump just for this. Regular bicycle pump with the gauge, because my tires ran 110 psi. And on race day, I ran 120 psi. These tires are rated at 50 psi. And I usually pump them right to the max. 50 psi gives you the least amount of rolling resistance. Sorry guys, battery died. It happens, you know. I got the front tire on. I took it for a little test spin. This little shifter hooked up pretty nice, pretty easy. Super smooth bike. We're gonna hook up the fishing trailer. Let's go see if we can't catch lunch. All right, we're hitched up. Let's do this. Well, toe's pretty good, pretty smooth. You can see it back there. Bright sunny day, December 5th. It's like 80 degrees out here. So it's a nice ride. You gotta get you one of these bicycles. Ride it every day. Every day you can. Super low tide today. Not good for fishing. Just some bad timing on my part. We'll see what happens. At least we're out here on a beautiful day. Our bait. Let's give it a try. Well, that's it. I'm going home. The tide is so low. Dead crab right there. Not even a nibble. Oh well. Better luck next time. That's what I call it fishing, not catching. Looks like we're going to be buying some dinner tonight. Looks like I got some competition in the homemade camper department. You guys remember this thing, right? Wait till you see this. Meep, meep. Get a tan, get a wind burn. Looks like fun though. Fishing was a bust, so I went and got myself some flounder. We got green onions, red onions, mushrooms. Got a couple chunks of garlic in there, and a whole flounder. There it is, my meal. What's up, friends? Tonight's fish dinner. Excellent. So good. So, I want to talk about tonight. Fishing didn't go well. I had to go buy fish. $10 for a flounder. Ridiculous. But things don't always go my way. I have this preconceived idea of how everything should be. And when things don't match, I'm troubled. So I'm trying to be a different person these days. Life's too short. The thing that runs in my head is we're all running out of days. Don't waste this one. So I don't want to be upset or misguided or anything, you know. And I think that's really what happens. You get derailed from your plan of action, whatever the plan of action may have been. Mine today was to catch some fish, and I didn't catch any. So it's not a big deal. It happens all the time. But it just reminds me of the bigger pictures in life. So I started this YouTube channel, and my goal is to move into this camper that we're in right now and go travel. And I haven't gotten there yet. I haven't gotten to the travel part yet. But I've been staying in here for quite a long time now. It's quite comfortable. Getting used to it. And I would make some changes if I could do it all over again, but that'll be a whole nother video. But, you know, today, things weren't going my way. Yesterday, 2 days ago, things weren't going my way. But I gotta just say, this is the way they're supposed to be going. You know, give up and don't let it affect you negatively. But when I look at the big picture, my plan is to create a YouTube channel, and I can turn on this camera and talk to it, and hopefully somebody's out there watching. And who knows, maybe I can inspire somebody else to, you know, focus on your goals. Whatever those goals are. And mine's this YouTube channel. And I don't know where the YouTube channel's going. I would like to, I like doing this. I like to cook. I like to eat. And I like to talk and share a positive message. So hopefully I can help somebody. So, somebody 2 days ago, yesterday, could have been yesterday, said, you smile a lot. Like they thought I was smiling at them. And I'm saying, no, I love to smile. I love to be kind. I do make some jokes, and sometimes I come off as mean. That's not my intention. I just want to have fun. You know, life's too short. That misery loves company. Well, kindness loves company too. So I got to put that kindness out there, and hopefully I can take some of misery away from some way too many people out there, and including myself. So if I'm doing this and helping you guys, I'm not focusing on my misery. I'm trying to be a good member of society, carry a positive message, be kind, smile. So, the little things in life. Anyway, I'm going to get back to eating. This is some good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.